babes, it is the day after the 4th. Y'all, it's been a rough weekend. If you saw my previous video, I'm not going to talk about it right now because I'm going to try to stay focused on some other things right now. But guess what? We're starting on the kitchen. This will help take my mind off things a little bit today. I gotta first, get all the pictures down. And I will more than likely keep these pictures because I think the color scheme is gonna be fine for what I'm actually changing to. This stuff has not been touched in a long time, so I've got to do some cleaning up and all that stuff like that. So I'm gonna be starting on that today. And like I said, first things first is get all the pictures down, get them cleansed up, wipe the walls down and all of that jazz. And we'll be going on through that process. The bathroom unveiling will be, or revealing will be probably maybe next week. I think I should have everything in by then. So stay tuned for that. And hey y'all, hey, I hope y'all are doing great. I hope everybody's, had a great 4th of July weekend and all of that jazz. So I'll be letting y'all know more about the kitchen and what we're going to do to it in just a little bit here. So stick and stay. I'll be back popping in on the video today. So let me just clean up my pictures. I love my little wine and grapes. This has been my theme probably for, God, about 20 years. Not these particular pictures, well, almost. I think so. I probably have had this picture for about 20 years. I know, 2004, 2005. Oh my gosh, yes, nearly 20 years with this, y'all. Honestly speaking, I'm just looking at the price. It was like $24.99. I think I got this at Burlington or something like that a long time ago, but it's gonna stick and stay with me because I'm gonna keep my wine theme going for sure, more than likely, unless some revelation happened or something. But anyway, let me get to it. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Every day I'm working for my baby. Retired or whatever, I still gotta work.
Absolutely.
I'm retired, she make me tired. I just love this woman so much. Come on, give me a kiss.
He's so sweet.
Okay, you wanna get the thing?
Love you, bye.
All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is.
I know I already said when I was doing the bathroom, but this is just like a half and half of some alcohol and water. That's it. Just trying to dissolve the grease a little bit on the walls and stuff and get rid of some of the dirt before I paint. So that's how I did that. Okay. All right, y'all, just pausing. Amazon just dropped off some packages. Let me show you the other stuff that just came in. All righty, you'll see these little baskets here. They're going in the bathroom to actually, I was going to put the toilet paper in there, but the shelf that I put up in there is pretty full. And this picture came that's going in the bathroom, again from Amazon. So that basket, I forgot I ordered this basket. So this is the basket. I put some toilet paper in there, which is probably going to be the one that she likes best, and going to use the other ones for something else. I'm not going to show you the shelf and everything until I do the final reveal on everything. So stay tuned for that. And got this pretty little cover for the outlet here, sparkly. And I showed y'all this the other day. Mike had gone ahead and put it up on yesterday actually, so they don't match only because I did not know we were changing out the switch here, but she wanted the rocker type, which this is so cute because it has the night light on it. Let's see if it'll pop on. There we go. Yeah, so it has the night light on it. And the other item was some shoes for me. So that is it, y'all. I'm gonna get back busy. I'm actually here all alone. Mike went to pick up the paint. Maddie had an orthodontist appointment, and your girl is just hanging loose right now. So let me get busy again and get started on what I was doing. I got distracted when the packages came in, so I was like, my stuff here. So I'm gonna have him to hang that picture today, and the mirror doesn't come until Thursday. Can't recall what else I'm waiting on. Oh no, the blinds. I got the 2-inch faux blinds or whatever. They're coming, and I think that's almost it. I think I was gonna get another shower curtain. The shower curtain is fine, but I may end up, she likes that style, but I don't see the one that I've ordered previously. So anyway, we shall see. I'll see y'all later. All right, right now I'm just taking the handles off of the cabinet doors. We're going to replace them with this kind of a handle here, and some of them are like on there since day one. I don't know, they got painted over and everything, but I'm just taking the screws off, and if I can't pop the handle off, Mike will do it when he gets back to the house. And that's it right now. I got all of the pictures down from this side. I'm gonna work this side first. Okay, there we go. All right, beautiful babes, if this will focus, I got the paint here from Sherwin-Williams. Mike just got it here to me, and the color here is 6169 Sedate Gray, Sherwin-Williams. So we are going to start on this painting here. I do have to do a couple more things before I actually get started rolling around with this paint. I wanted to check on my ceiling paint because I don't think I have enough to complete the ceiling in here. So anyway, let's get it going. All right, a little sneak peek, y'all. We knocking it out. We're getting to it. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. So y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. Woo. Yes, stay tuned. What it was, what it is. Oh yeah, I have to do a little patchwork on that one so it's not dry yet. I've already done the border area around there, so working my way around slowly but surely. Blah. Woo woo. So that was the color of the kitchen wall, like that yellowish, and now there's the green kind of gray. You can't really tell it on camera, but it does have a little hint of green in it to go along with these countertops here. Okay. Good morning, beautiful babes. Sweet angel. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired, but I must trudge on. Made some good tracks on the kitchen yesterday. However, I'm so tired. But we're trying to move the refrigerator right now. That refrigerator is, I guess, is giant size compared to the kitchens that were built in 1957 or 58 or whenever this house was built. It's just, we had to cut the bottom of the cabinet off in order to try to get it under there right now. Mike is getting the two-wheeler so we can try to see if we can unscrew the little, lower it a little bit more. And if we could do that, it'll be perfect. But I think when they moved it in here, when we bought it, I think they had already tried to do that. But we'll see. We'll see, because who knows. But anyway, super tired. Let me just let y'all see just a snippet of it, because it's totally in disarray right now. And I'm so sleepy. Oh my God. I need to get over it. But I'm going to give me something to eat, take my vitamins, and I'm going to wake up. Okay? Let me show you the kitchen. Again, it's torn completely up. We had to cut the cabinet right there to try to get this big ass refrigerator under there. So it looks like it's much taller from where y'all are looking, because right now we have it kind of jacked up to, Mike is going to go ahead and see if he can lower it by the levelers on the bottom of it. But anyway, as you can see, okay, there's the yellow of the other color paint, and I made it around the top portion there and the cabinets. For the most part, I got the majority of that done, and I started on the bottom here, but haven't finished off the bottom because I was trying to clear off the floor a little bit so I can have some scooting room. And there is everything on this side, which was the last side I finished. We're closing that off so you won't be able to see over in the laundry room anymore in that little window part there. So that'll be closed off. And I just have like that corner to do. I made it all around here. And I'm sorry the light is off because now I have the refrigerator in the way. And I made it up there and all around here. And of course I had to patch that side a little bit more because again, that was, I guess that's the most used cabinet door we got, and it just keeps like, had a little sink in it and I just couldn't, because I took the wood off and it had a little sink and I just like, okay, I can't do that. But that's all of that area done. Got behind the stove and painted most of it. Got to get this side over here next. This is just that baker's rack I had in the way, and all of that was done. And now the side of the cabinet there is done, and the other side is done by the stove as well. So I've got to just work on all of those little things and paint the ceiling. I did go ahead and pick out the ceiling fan, so I'm not sure. In fact, I just did that while I was in bed. So I'll ask him if he's going to pick them up or if I need to get them delivered. And I'm pretty sure, man, I would be if it was me. I'm sure he's probably tired of running to the store, but it's looking real cute right now. Right about now. And even though I painted in the back side there, I do have a backsplash that I'm putting on here. Let me show you what it looks like. It will be this one here. It's just a peel and stick, and it matches the counters pretty good. Pretty good. This is probably the only good portion of the counter I got to show, but yeah, I think that's gonna work out perfectly. So anyway, so much for that. Anywho, just reporting in live right here on the SWET, baby Angel. Yeah. That didn't work out too well. But anyway, let me get me something to eat, and then I'm gonna get busy, take my vitamins, get me some water in my system, and we're gonna get this done today.